Time to read another one from this collection called The Alt Atlas, Poems of Other Worlds by yours truly, Mr. Pendulum. This is a collection of sci-fi poems that I hand wrote and hand illustrated in this beautiful journal. Started as a daily writing challenge, and 80 days later, I had a collection of 80 poems. So, let's see. I previously read number 5, Yugda the Flat World. So let's go to number 6, Plu, the Book of Worms. In Plu, the hydrocarbon world, the ground has not grass nor soil. The surface of the plains are covered with a thin layer of oil. The Pluven worm spends its whole life crawling across the plains. From the oil beneath its slender self, its energy it gains. Its path must be continuous, no line must ever cross. The day a worm corners itself, that's when its life exhausts. When every inch has been traversed, with no new paths to write, the world will be a history book of ancient Pluven time. So, trying to think back when I wrote this, I was thinking about language and writing and the way information is stored. So, of course, we store information in our writing, but there are many other ways that information is stored, such as the rings in a tree, which notates the passage of time, and then also in geological formations in rocks and other things. A lot of information can be uncovered. And so this is just a kind of a interesting take on what a book could be. In this case, the entire planet of this Pluven worm is kind of like a book, because you can see the passage of every worm across the planet, and according to this, no worm can traverse another path, even its own path or another worm's path. So, and of course, once the oil on the surface of the planet is exhausted, then that's it. There's no more to traverse. So, it's kind of on a time limit, essentially. And so, once all of it is exhausted, of course, that would mean the extinction of the worm, and the planet itself is just basically a record of all of the different paths that the worms took. So in essence, the planet becomes a history book. Anyway, that is Plu, the Book of Worms, from the Alt Atlas, Poems of Other Worlds by Mr. Pendulum.